listen. I don't too extra. It's just a nice soft glam. What do you think in the comments?
I'm so nervous.
You like it?
It's so effing good.
Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm actually doing a makeover. I'm not installing this wig on myself. No, I'm not. I'm installing this wig on somebody who very much inspired me to be on YouTube, and I'm so honored and happy that I'm gonna be glamming her up today. But before we jump into that, today's sponsor for this video is Geniuswigs, and this is a wig I'm going to be applying to her today. And Geniuswigs been in my book for one of those companies that is just good. So it's the same packaging as usual, nice white box, and this is a wig we got inside. But before we jump into that, let's see what else we got in the box. So I have a wig cap and a pack of wig cap. It's 2 that comes in there, and a extra elastic band, so if you need that when you're applying your wig. Okay, so this is the wig we're working with. I'm so excited because I've gotten curly colored hair before, but this ginger vibe, it's definitely something that's trending for this summer. It's gorgeous. So this is how it looks. I just wish the ends were a little fuller, but it'll work. It's pretty full right throughout. It's 20 inches long, by the way. This is a ginger deep curly wig, and it's a 13x6 lace parting space. Okay, it's really a lace front, but the new kind of construction they're doing where they focus that depth in the middle of the cap. So that's how inside looks. It has 3 combs on the inside, adjustable straps in the back. And yeah, it does come pre-plucked as well, so that's really nice. And I love the fact that it is from the roots and it's not dark roots. I've become so in love with that whole colored look where you don't have to be afraid to do dark roots anymore to play it safe, And they say this is an undetectable lace front wig. Oh, by the way, the density of this wig is 130% for the density, so it's definitely not too heavy. It's very manageable. And yeah, very summertime appropriate. So today's model is going to be
I'm a twerk. What's that? Yo, guys, Jalili's here because I'm just wake up.
Yes guys, this is our special model today, and she's so special because let me tell you something.
Them can't see a petite, but them see your face.
No, me already, man. Every them can't see my face. So you them want to see. Guys, listen. You see this woman right here? She'll forget her props because she inspired me to be on this platform. Whenever she would build the courage to be on YouTube, okay? So I always have to make people know. Yeah. And I don't think I ever really tell it to your face.
You always say, yeah.
And I'm like, but you always tell all your do.
I'm so hyped, like yes.
God, no, but that stressed me out, yeah. Cause you see now, she
I'm
make up mogul,
blood cleanse again.
She make up mogul,
We ain't doing this petite. No, we're not this in here.
At first, I do nothing pan her, nothing.
Lego. Original. Man. When they say it's about nothing, man, I tell them it's my life. Man, I chilling in the studio, man, I vibing, it's my life. And to play, then they use me to play. Man, I vibing all day. Man, I use me to play. I spitting for me bars, me I never back down. 1, 2, 3, me up on the countdown, man down. If you test me, man down. Original bad man, me I run town. Them try to downgrade, bad man fi upgrade. Then try to evade, bad man fi evade. They can't believe it, they love how I spit it. They know I'm gon' kill it, and they know I'm gon' kill it. When they say it's about nothing, man, I tell them it's my life. Man, I chillin' in the studio, man, I vibing, it's my life. And to play, then they use me to play. Man, I vibing all day. Man, I use me to play. Counting up these stocks just trying to make a million. Spitting these bars from deep down within. You already know it's a killing when I'm spitting. If you're a hater, you can see me when you see me. Hold on, me not telling me the whole on. Calm down, me they telling me they calm down. Man down, is a man down. Bad man, them a see me round. When they say it's bad, not the man I tell them it's my life. Man I tell them in the studio, man I vibe in the sunlight. And to play, then they use me to play. Man I vibe in all day. Man I use me to play. Original, 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 original Batman, oh, eh, oh, VQs, on the vibe, on the vibe.
It's VQs.
Standard.
Done dada, fire can't cool me up on tire.
Original Batman.
It's VQs.
Standard.
She give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me heart. Fine girl a coming on me heart, say she bounce pon the thing so. Whine it pon me thing so. Put the thing upon me thing, whine it pon me thing so. I say she whine it pon me heart. Man I give it to her one time, say she want it one time. Whine it pon me heart. Man I step in at the yard, make the girls them say I ain't a bad man, and they want to say I. She ain't a bad man, they want to feel. Say she give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me thing so. Whine it pon me girl, say she whine it pon me thing so. Move your body pon me thing and whine it pon me thing so. Come they sing so, whine it pon me thing so. I ain't a bad man, and they want to say I. She ain't a bad man, they want to feel.
Done dada, fire can't cool me up on tire.
Original Batman.
Nobody test me around dire.
African style, me hit the dance like Bob Marley, me style. You understand me, no made in Japan. We changing style with the girl system warning. Aye, me a not gonna waste time. Me a stand in the city, me a can't in a baseline, live night. Can't understand why I waste time. Your body nice, fuck up on me a waistline. I mean a bad man, they want to see. I mean a bad man, them want to feel. Say she give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me thing so. Whine it pon me girl, say she whine it pon me thing so. Move your body pon me thing and whine it pon me thing so. Come they sing so, whine it pon me thing so. I ain't a bad man, and they want to say I. She ain't a bad man, they want to feel.
Done dada, fire can't cool me up on tire. Better than you, me a spitfire. Nobody test me around dire.
It's VQs.
Original Batman.
Standard.
Lego. It's the original Batman. Original Batman. Oh.
It's VQs.
Aye. Gucci on the Prada, say me feeling bad. I be looking like the nigga that you wish you had. Them my girls, them a coming, them a looking bad. Man, I rolling with my niggas and we moving mad. So me light on up and put it up till the morning. Them I know that your mind, so they be stalling. And I be always there to answer whenever you're calling. And you always hold me down whenever it's boring. So sexy when you think about. I can't tell me nothing. What you talk about? Man, I light you up, you will turn me on. Man, I play my song, you will sing along. You got me elevated like I hit the bomb. 007, man, I James Bond. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Girl, them I want a bad man, put a ring on it. You're the only one me I really gotta think of. Trust me when I say you're the only one I feel for. Wine for me, girl, them I really try confuse me. For the money, me not flip on your heart. You got a thing that go crazy for a man.
As I said, very soft on the glam. She not see it.
No, I haven't.
No. I'm gonna take up the mirror every time. I don't know if she realized I was one, but I took up the mirror from last night. So I'm gonna use some mousse, some water, and I might use a little conditioner. I'm not sure I feel it because I wanted to get back the volume when it's dry.
Yeah.
And I know she likes big hair, but I'm going to get it juicified.
Yes.
If I feel she wants, she love it so.
I don't know what it looks like, to be honest.
But me know so should I love it.
Yes.
Alright, so yeah, and a little bit of my serum, my styling serum. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do.
I can't even see myself. I can't even see myself.
I got the money, so they sing for me, girl. Wine for me, girl, she a wine for me, man. Now if you lose control, you got the fire can cool, let's get the groove on. Aye, on the cruise control, let the vibes come true, let's make a move on. Aye, them really wanna stress up on me. Bad man, them really can't stress up on me. Aye. Really wanna test man for it. Bad man, them really wanna test me man for it. Get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me I don't want to tire, so me I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me I don't want to.
I'm so, my aunt beat fast.
So it's time to like her see her little glam. Listen, I don't too extra. It's just a nice soft glam. But I love the meltdown of this wig, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments.
I'm so nervous.
You like it?
It's so effing good. Oh my god.
Like it?
And the lashes, the side, this is clean, petite.
Yeah.
Oh my
That's
freaking
what
god.
I envisioned.
Look how you make my bros lie down and see without watching. I'm a fool. Oh my god. Jesus
And the eye contacts add to the look.
I know.
Yeah, it's really gorgeous. It's really good.
This lace though.
Yeah.
I mean, what lace?
Meltdown.
Wow. Yeah, just swell more. Yeah, girl. Kylie, I'll go. This is so nice. Look at my bros. Petite.
I am so grateful that you came.
I really love it.
Yes, I'm
It's
happy
so-
that you do. That you love it.
Blood cleanse. Dog, when we start posting
Hashtag blood cleanse in the comments. You know, we are team that. Straight lyrics.
This is okay. So what am I gonna do now, Petite? Am I allowed to take pictures of this look?
Everything. I can't post it. Anything.
Okay, I'm just. What else I'm going to look cleanse? I also like now. So
Yes.
no filter. You guys, no filter.
Yes, you go
What?
straight in.
What? Snapchat always use it first. Guys, oh, and this color wig, like I'm a ginger. I've never had this color before in my life. Petite.
Oh, you have not?
I've never done ginger. Ever.
This is it for the summer. This is one of the color they want.
Gosh, petite.
Yeah, guys.
You're going into blood pressure fears.
Guys, so yes, thank you so much for watching. All the information on this gorgeous wig is going to be listed in the description box, so go ahead and check it out. Geniuswigs, shout out to you again. You always come through with the good wigs. I am so grateful. Yeah, and the direct link to it is also there, so if you want to go ahead and get this wig for summer, I feel like it's a perfect summer wig. The color and everything just screams summer too. Listen, lyric is a mood in the background. You need the information and she just has
And wait, I really want to tell Petite thank you. I came here with my tribe, my 2 boys. I know Jalili is the stalwart of the family, and she handled him really well in my sleeve. Yeah, can't come here. And she wasn't annoyed with him. She was genuine around him, and I picked up on that from her, and I was like, oh yeah, you know, I mess with you, because if you accept my boys like in my heart, and we're in our home, I brought my friend Jamila to help me, and she's just been really kind. This is long overdue. It does take a lot for us to come together.
It does.
It really does. So I'd love to say see you guys soon, but I don't know. And what's not going?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Tell them.
Tell him. I mean, how old am I? You gotta tell me twice here for. Let me get this out. So I'm having classes I'm having classes in New York as well as Florida, and you can go on my Instagram page, Little Crotchets, and all the information is there, every single one. But thanks again to Petite. It's when it started getting big, massive, and it's so light.
Yes,
it doesn't feel like no wig, and then the application. Babe, this is so cool. I mean, like a princess. Give me a crown. I'm put on my clothes on the air. Yeah.
Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for this video today. Thanks again for tuning in. Don't forget to check out PETITE-SUE TV for all my vlogs, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just want to be good on yourself. Bye.
Aye. Gucci on the Prada, say me feeling bad. I be looking like the nigga that you wish you had. Them my girls, them are coming, them are looking bad. Man, I'm rolling with my niggas and we moving mad. So me light on up and put it up till the morning. Them I know that your mind, so they be stalling, and I'll be always there to answer.